it.
It's awfully warm. I'm wearing long sleeves and a sweater and now it's too warm.
We're supposed to go sailing today with Trent.
Yeah.
Has a high wind warning.
Too high of a wind. Alright, when you guys can't see the water. We're at a park. How cool is that? You guys can't even see what I'm trying to show you. Just walking on this cool little park. Look at this view though. It's like a tree or something out there. Can you see that? Look, there's little steps right there. You can go down to like this little private beach for the homes. That's cool. Just open water. We've walked a few miles. So we need another stop. I think there's like a beach access. I'll show you guys. So there's a lighthouse way over there, which is kind of cool. And then just a nice view from here. If you go down this path, I think it goes down to the beach. Look at all the flags, how cool. It says one world, one people. All the flags. It's a nice view. You can't see it in this video, but all the way out there, like right here, there's people surfing out there. So we gave up on our hike. Justin told me from the hotel it was only like a 2.5 mile walk.
No, I said it was like 3.
No, you said 2.5.
I said 2.5 to the entrance plus another little bit.
Yeah,
for the
okay,
hike.
well, anyways. So that's what he says. I was like, okay, I'm down. Well, guess what? We've been walking for hours. What, 3 hours?
3.82 miles, 1 hour and 37 minutes.
Okay, whatever. It feels like hours. Anyways, we've been walking for a real long time. And it's still like almost 2 miles away. So we gave up. So we're getting an Uber and we're gonna Uber back into town and go to a brewery. But we got some really cool views. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna go to a brewery. Hopefully they have a sour beer for me. But yeah, just waiting for our Uber now. We got over here to where we at, Justin? You're not even looking. He's grumpy. We made it to Pearl Harbor. Unfortunately, the one thing that Justin wants to do, he can't do because it's sold out. He said we didn't get tickets because he didn't think it would sell out. So we took the bus all the way here for it to sell out. So I guess we're just gonna look at the free thing?
Yeah.
I don't know. Do you want to get anything else? Other
Maybe.
ones? What are we in? What is this called?
It's the main turret, the USS Missouri.
It's as far as we can go. We're in a plexiglass case of emotion. I don't know.
It's like in a boat. Okay. Oh, it's right around a plexiglass car.
Oh.
What's up, guys? Last full day here. Trying to cram in some fitness. Going to CrossFit Oahu. CrossFit Oahu is where we ended up choosing.
CrossFit anymore.
It's true. We haven't CrossFitted in months. Well, actually, she's worked out more recently than me. That's why it was in her day in the live video. Go back and like it if you haven't already. It's right around the corner. We're being fit, walking up.
I don't want to be fit.
Nobody wants to be fit.
Show you guys the chicks. See them?
There's more up farther.
Wild chickens. Excuse me. Coming through. Thank you. We just did a workout at CrossFit Oahu, and I forgot to record everything. I can't hear anything. I forgot to record everything.
Awesome gym.
Yeah.
But we're out of shape.
Oh, is this us?
Here's our bus.
Okay, bye. Crazy out here. Justin and I were just out here a couple days ago. There's like no one. Now everyone's out here. So we're finally home. We didn't record anything from our way home because I just didn't feel like it. But we're home. We just landed and it is snowing here. Let me see if I can.
Oh, it's not snowing.
Oh, well, I mean, it's covered in snow.
Yeah,
so completely different from where we just were in like 80-degree weather. But it's good to be home. I think we're just most excited to see Kobe. So we're gonna go to the commissary real quick just to get food because we have nothing and we're starving. And so we're gonna get food and then some food for him. I have to try to transition him back into raw feeding because he was transitioned from raw to kibble for the kennel because they wouldn't feed him raw. They would only do the kibble. So now we got to transition him from off the kibble back to raw. So that's gonna be fun. So we gotta go pick up a bunch of his food for us for at least a day or two, right?
Yeah.
It's almost the weekend. And then we're gonna go pick him up after we drop off all of our stuff because he hasn't, oh, you hear that? Anyways, so we have to drop off our stuff first before we get him because there's no room. I'm excited to see him. We're gonna go pick up Kobe. We're here at the kennel. I don't know if we're gonna record because I think I'm gonna get too excited. We got him! Hi, Kobe's! Look at, they're so cute. They gave us a little Polaroid of him that they took. We're excited. Huh, Kobe's? I think he's just excited to go home. That's it for our vacation vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye!